Rishtpusht Renal Care Tablet. Supports healthy urinary function and helps to remove toxins from the urinary system. The remedy is a unique combination of herbs: Varuna, Kratav and Urvala, Gokru, Tribulister Ristres, Pasanabhade, Virginia ligulata, Roctapunar Nava, Boravia diffusa. That helps to soothe the urinary system. Rishtpusht Renal Care Tablet. Rishtpusht Renal Care is a rejuvenating tonic for the kidneys.
Formulated under the guidance of globally renowned Ayurvedic healer Dr. Navdeep Sharma.